Good day, everyone. My name is Juma Garcia and I'm from Section Element 1. So my topic for today is all about food dehydration. So what is food dehydration? Food dehydration is a process of reducing moisture of food to low levels for improved shelf life by adding one or more forms of energy to the food. The process of food dehydration involves simultaneous transfer of mass and heat within the food. So dehydration in food processing means by which many types of food can be preserved for indefinite periods by extracting the moisture. So let's proceed now to the history of food dehydration. So dehydration is one of the oldest methods of food preservation and was used by prehistoric people in sun-drying seeds. The North American Indian preserved meat by sun-drying slices. The Chinese dried eggs and the Japanese dried fish and rice. Hot air dehydration was developed in France in 1795.
So let's go now to the 7 methods of food dehydration. So number 1 is sun drying. Sun drying is a traditional drying methods for reducing the moisture content of paddy by spreading the grains under the sun. So number 2 is vacuum drying. It is the mass transfer operation in which the moisture present in a substance, usually a wet solid, is removed by means of creating a vacuum. So the third method is drum drying. Drum drying is a method used for drying out liquids from raw materials with a drying drum. So the fourth method is microwave drying. It's a process that basically works in the same way as when we heat food in a microwave oven. So the fifth one is extrusion cooking. Extrusion cooking can be defined as a continuous process in which materials such as proteins and starches are plasticized to form a fluid melt in a chamber or barrel. So the sixth method is fluidized bead dryer, also called fluid bead dryer. Is a kind of equipment used extensively in the pharmaceutical industries to reduce the moisture content of pharmaceutical powder and granules. So the last method is pneumatic dryers, in which the moist solid is carried and transported by the drying air while being dried. A very cost-efficient dryers where short-time drying is so efficient.
So let's go now to the main technological objectives of food dehydration. So first is as a result of depletion water activity. Next is reduction in weight and volume. And the third is transformation of food to a form more convenient. So the last objectives is imparting to a food product is a particular desirable features.
This is the differentiation of drying and dehydration. These are examples of food dehydrated. Banana, tomato, apple, and other food.
That's all for today's discussion. Thank you and have a good day.